Hi, it's Robin Rose here in my kitchen. I do so many things in my day that I think, oh, really, I wish I had someone hanging out to learn these things with me because I'm so grateful for the ways my life has changed from learning how to use plants creatively in the kitchen, in the medicine chest. So what I'm doing right now is I gathered not a whole lot, but a nice amount of let's see if I can do this, wild black-capped raspberries. I'll put a link to what they are in the caption, but here we go. Here's a wild black-capped raspberry that escaped the bowl. And while my friend Norma we just got off the phone and she's busy making jelly with what she gathered, what I'm doing is I mixed maybe it's about, I don't know, a cup of raspberries with a little squirt of lemon juice and a spoonful of homemade pine needle honey, some cinnamon powder, which you could do to taste, and some kefir. I'm going to blend it up and have a wonderful drink. I think. I haven't made it before, but we'll see. Oh, and I also put in some slippery elm, which it helps kind of the digestibility, so the fruit can kind of move through you too quickly. So slippery elm brings balance to the intestines and the digestive system. It helps if you're either stopped up or if you're going too much. And you know, I've just had a thought. I like to balance my fruit with some kind of protein. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add some, you could do whatever is your favorite nut butter. I happen to be a huge fan of tahini, particularly this tahini, Sahadi's. They're not paying me to do a commercial. I just love their tahini. And I try to get all my oil-based foods in glass, right? Because plastic extracts the xenoestrogens well from fatty foods. So that's really something it's good to go the extra dollar if you can and get your fatty foods in, like cheeses and stuff, in glass, or transfer things. Do the best you can. So anyway, I'm going to add a little tahini now, and I'm going to spare you the sound of the blender, but I will put a picture of the finished product and my review of this experiment. Green blessings, or red juicy ones in this case. Happy summer. Take good care. Much love.